Before real estate, I was an intervention specialist for many years. In fact, I still am. I go into the schools in my spare time and help students learn to read. Really enjoy having them become strong readers through the programs that I use. I have an amazing program that I was taught and certified in. It's called Orton Gillingham, and it really breaks down the reading process into the phonetics that they need to understand. Being patient and understanding with students is so important because it makes the process less stressful and they actually learn to love to read. I like to have a lot of tools in my back pocket, and sometimes I need to change a lesson right in the middle of the lesson. So flexibility and being organized and having things in the back of my mind and thinking outside of the box are skills that as a teacher I love to bring to the table. Ultimately, I ended up going to college and choosing teaching as a profession, but I've always had an interest in real estate. I've been around it my whole life. With all the skills that I've practiced over the years in teaching and the hours of time that I've put into my own home with my renovations, I really feel that I can offer insight to buyers and sellers. I really enjoy real estate because I'm a people person. I love connecting with people and making lifelong relationships. I want to know their story. I want to understand what they're looking for and help them through a process that can be sometimes overwhelming and stressful. Some of the tools that I'm able to share because I'm on the #1 sales team in Ohio, the Keller Williams Easy Referral Network, is the ability to reach out to clients and share those market updates. And we have thousands of agents across the country. We are known nationally and internationally, so it's very easy for us to help clients. And while those tools are super important as a realtor, I really like being on the Easy Sales team. As soon as I walked into that door, I knew it was a place that I was meant to be. Outside of real estate, I'm a wife, I'm a mother of 5. We have 2 great dogs that bring a lot of joy to our lives. So I also love taking them on walks in my spare time. In the summers, as a family, we enjoy Port Clinton on the beach and in the water. In the winter, we are skiers. We are the family that embraces the snow. One of my hobbies is home renovations. I always have a project going on. I like to refinish kitchen tables and the shutters for the windows. And currently I'm working on a 3-season room. And I always have a sander in one hand and a paintbrush in the other. Years ago, I came across a phrase from Mahatma Gandhi, and I try to emulate it in my life with my kids and in my family. He said, "Be the change that you wish to see in the world." And I'm the person that wants to go the extra mile and do the extra work, have that commitment, be patient and understanding with people in my life and in real estate. I just want to be the change.